Welcome to Complete Email, providing email marketing solutions for your benefit. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be informed when I post.
1. Ben Zettler, Digital Marketing and E-commerce Consultant. Ben Zettler Digital says, don't shy away from incentivizing users to return to make another purchase within a relatively short time period after their first purchase. Use fixed amount, minimum threshold discounts served in a post-purchase flow to incentivize users to return for a second order within 30 days. 2. Hannah Spicer, Director, Hannah Spicer Consulting says, include an incentive for first-time purchasers to drive their second purchase. Once a customer has shopped with you twice, they are more likely to shop with you a third, fourth, fifth time. 3. Christopher Maroney Pettit, owner, Ecom Growers says, for first-time customers, don't try to immediately upsell. Send a few messages hyping people up about the amazing product they just ordered. Get them excited, ask them questions, share relevant information. This sets the stage for a future upsell when the time is right, which could be a few weeks. For repeat customers or returning customers, reward them with an immediate VIP only. Hard to say no to upsell for some brands. You can even have specific products for this effort that aren't available to buy anywhere else on the site. Then thank them for coming back to support your business. 4. Adam Kitchen, CEO, Magnet Monster says, focus on optimizing the customer experience here and not on driving additional sales. Most brands see the biggest drop-off from first to second purchase normally because they bombard the user with such a high frequency of emails that they churn before you're able to convey value to them on the channel. Put yourself in the customer's shoes and think about what their journey should look like. 5. Alexa, Vice President, Client Strategy, Power Digital says, treat your post-purchase like a checking account. You want to deposit a lot of value before you make a withdrawal and ask them to do something. Along with sending them a fantastic product, make sure you send them messaging that reaffirms their decision to buy using social proof, and send content that will guarantee they use the product right away and use it properly. This will ultimately tee you up very nicely for the ultimate cross-sell, upsell, or review ask down the line. 6. Bell Murray, E-commerce Senior Strategist, SmartBug Media says, retarget first-time purchasers with a bounce-back offer or another incentive to return to your store, encouraging a repeat purchase, but be strategic about when you send this opportunity. Give new customers a chance to experience your product and build brand loyalty, then introduce a new way to experience your brand and products. 7. Morgan Mulloy, Associate Director of Retention Marketing, Avex Designs says, nurture, nurture, nurture. Show you care that the customer enjoys their purchase and provide resources in case they have any issues. The fact that you care so much will make the customer appreciate you all that much more. 8. Abby Siciliano, Email Expert and Director of Business Development, Tenuti says, ask for ratings and reviews. This is an opportunity for customer service outreach when needed and will create user-generated content and social proof that can improve your conversion rates dramatically. You can even incorporate it into your future emails. 9. Takara Charisma, CEO, Charisma Marketing says, my number one tip to improve your post-purchase email flow is to add a bounce-back email into it. This is an email that is sent immediately after an order with a very limited time, irresistible offer. I also recommend sending a different email after every purchase. This requires adding a conditional split to your post-purchase flow that segments subscribers by how many orders they have placed. With each order, they should receive a different email. The goal of each post-purchase email can be different. For example, you can share your gratitude for their support of your small business, tell them what they can expect from the product they just ordered, invite them to join your Facebook community, introduce a loyalty, rewards, or referral program. 10. Nichelle Hubley, founder and CEO, and BM says, the sale isn't done until the customer has the product in their hands and it does what it was supposed to do. Nurture them from the minute they hit buy all the way through their first interaction with your product. Make sure they have a good first use or they know how to get help if they need it. 11. Cassie Benjamin, email and SMS channel manager, Tadpole says, as soon as your customer places an order, you have an abundance of data that can help you craft unique and personalized content that is relevant to a customer's purchase. To improve the performance of your post-purchase series, split your email flows up by categories or products to craft unique post-purchase experiences based on what was purchased. For example, if a customer bought a pair of hiking shoes, consider personalizing their post-purchase series to include content around how to care for their new boots, hiking trail inspiration, or even recommending insoles and laces to pair with the shoe they just purchased. 12. Brittany Rickrift, Director of Marketing, Ghost Retail says, your post-purchase experience should do two things: ensure the customer is successfully using and enjoying their purchase, and help tee up your next sale. Offering live video co-shopping experiences is a great way to do both of these things. Customers can get a demo on how to use an item, find coordinating items, get their questions answered, and continue their journey with your brand. 13. Eric Miller, Director of Lifecycle Marketing, Tenuti says, post-purchase is a great time to further deliver on your brand promise and increase your value to your customers. It's more than just driving the next purchase. If your product requires instructions for assembly or installation, send a link to instructions on the day of delivery. If you have a great warranty, remind them of this as a way to reduce buyer's remorse and returns. If your product requires regular maintenance, schedule reminders to alert those purchasers that it's time to service with the reminder, tips, and links to products that might help them out. 14. Sharon Goldstein, CEO, LimeSpot says, post-purchase emails and SMS are a great time to get the flywheel going, re-engaging existing customers to queue up their next purchase. Providing personalized product recommendations based on what they've already bought is a great way to retain their interest and get them visiting your site again. This is an easy way to make the post-purchase series much more valuable to your customers and provide a more tailored experience.